Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be trying on and reviewing this straight human hair drawstring ponytail, which I recently purchased from Shein. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a straight ponytail with a density of 150%. The length is 20 inches and it is also of Indian origin. Let me just measure it to find out if it's exactly 20 inches. The hair is a little longer than 20 inches and it tapers on a little bit. I like the fact that the hair tapers at the end because it gives a natural look. So now I'm just going to give the ponytail a quick wash. This process is optional, but I like to wash all human hair extensions before using them. Now I'll leave it to dry naturally and get back to it later. As you can see, the ponytail is now fully dried. It looks really good and it feels super soft. One thing I've noticed is that it's a little wavy, even though it was marketed as a straight human hair extension. But that doesn't bother me much. And for me, this is proof that it's authentic Indian hair, because most Indian hair types will look a little wavy when washed, and I think it looks good either way. Let me try it on now. I like to braid my hair and put it in a bun before wearing ponytail extensions, because this gives a lift to the style and some additional security. So this is it on. Wow, it's beautiful. It really looks good and feels light when warm. See how naturally wavy it looks? And there's a natural shine to it. So now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to quickly straighten it to see if it will revert back to its original straight form before I washed it. But before I do, let me just add some heat protectant. I really like the wavy look, and I didn't expect it to come out wavy after washing it, but it was a nice surprise. So this is how it looks. It's really gorgeous and it's a good length and volume too. I must say that it looks good straight as well. I really like the way this hairpiece looks and feels. It really complements my natural hair. I'm loving it already, and I know it will be a valuable addition to my collection of ponytails. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. It's really soft and natural looking. I love how easy this straightened. So when I washed this ponytail, it came out with a wavy texture, which I didn't mind, but I bought a straight ponytail, so I was like, okay, let me straighten it and see if it will go back to how it's supposed to look. And yeah, it does. Like I said, really soft, and I love how light it is as well. And another thing I forgot to mention is that this did not tangle after I washed and conditioned this ponytail. This to me is good quality human hair, so yeah, I'm happy. I can glide my fingers through it easily. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And I got this in 20 inches and it's a little longer than 20 inches and it tapers down, which I like. It gives a really natural look. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this purchase. And also this was affordable, so I'm really happy with everything. The hair may seem thin to other people, it depends on what you like, but to me it's fine, especially the fact that this is affordable. I personally don't mind. You can add tracks if you want it to be fuller, but other than that, I think this is fine. It looks really natural. So yeah, I love this ponytail. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates on my upcoming videos. See you in the next one.